Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how creatine is produced and used. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found primarily in your muscle cells. It plays a crucial role in helping your muscles produce energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. Your body naturally produces some creatine, and you can also obtain it from foods like red meat and fish. It's important to understand that creatine powder is not something you can safely or effectively make at home. Commercial creatine is produced through complex chemical synthesis in controlled laboratory environments. This industrial process ensures the purity, safety, and consistent quality of the supplement you purchase. Attempting to create it yourself could be dangerous and yield an ineffective product. When considering creatine monohydrate is the most extensively studied and proven form. It is known for its ability to enhance strength, increase power output, and support muscle growth when combined with resistance training. This effective supplement is readily available as a fine, white powder, making it easy to mix into your preferred beverage. For safe and effective use, a common approach involves a loading phase of about 20 grams per day for 5 to 7 days, split into 4 doses. Following this, a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily is usually sufficient. Remember, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement to ensure it's right for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.